Manic Panic Love Color is a color depositing conditioner that Manic Panic designed specifically for vibrant colored hair. When your vibrant color starts to fade, you can use Manic Panic Love Color to refresh your color while also conditioning at the same time. Currently, Love Color comes in 8 different shades, including Rock Me Red, Red Desire, Fuchsia Fever, Pink Passion, Yellow Heart, Green Venus, Teal Temptress, and Blue Valentine. Love Color also features a built-in heat protectant to keep your hair protected while styling or blow drying. And remember, kids, always protect yourself. Every Love Color shade is formulated with quinoa vegetable protein, shea butter, hydrolyzed protein, and other vegan nutrients to keep your hair looking healthy and frizz-free while preventing future damage. As an added bonus, Fuchsia Fever, Green Venus, Pink Passion, and Yellow Heart all glow under blacklight. You can also customize your desired color by mixing different Love Color shades together. Mix the colors in a mixing bowl or directly in your hands. Snooki mixed Teal Temptress and Fuchsia Fever to create this awesome purple. To use Love Color, first, we recommend wearing gloves to avoid staining your hands. Then, apply a generous amount to clean, damp hair. The conditioner only needs to be left in for 5 to 10 minutes for best results. On the left, we have faded pink compared to the right, which has been refreshed with Love Color Pink Passion. See the difference? Love Color is a perfect match for some of these Manic Panic classic colors. As always, Manic Panic is vegan and cruelty-free. Hair color that loves you back.